Dear students, today now we will do exercise 7.2 integrals, and we will discuss about methods of integration. And in previous exercises what we have done, we have solved some integrals by inspection method and generally based on the formulas. But in this exercise we will study methods of integration. First part, there are three methods to solve the integrals. So for this exercise we will study this first, integration by substitution. We will study this. So how many method to solve the integration? हमारे तीनटा मेथड छ, इंटीग्रेशन बाय सब्स्टिट्यूशन, integration by partial fractions, integration by parts. But for this particular exercise 7.2 we will do first at integration by substitution. Substitution means the independent variable can be transferred into new variable, so we can do by the integration of by substitution. Let's see here the given integral. How to write this? Integration of, what is this? Integral of fx dx. We read like this: integration of fx dx can be transformed into another form by changing the independent variable x to t. This x will be changed to t, otherwise other variables, by putting your substitute x is equal to gt. So we are considering here I is equal to, I means integral. Any question given, so we can write I means integral. So I equal to fx dx, and what we put here, we are putting here, put x is equal to gt, and this in the place of x we can put gt, and this things will be differentiating with respect to x, so we can write here dx by dt, differentiating with respect to t, and gt differential g dash t, and we can put these things in this main integration. So we have this I equal to integration of fx dx, and now we put f(x) is gt, this x putting here gt, and what is dx? Here we can write, this implies that dx equal to, by cross multiplying, g dash t dt, g dash t dt. So it is the integration by substitution. Let's see some examples, so it will clear to you. Example number 1 in the textbook. Example 5 in the textbook is, integrate the following functions with respect to x. Integration of sine mx, and always we write dx, because always we do here, if here variable is x, it is differentiating with respect to x. Let's see here, sine mx dx को इंटीग्रल कसरी गर्नु पर्यो, and we have not any formula. Sin x differential we know, minus cos x, integral, but there is no particular formula for this function, so we take the help of integration by substitution. And what is to put here? This variable changing into other variable, so we can write here, let first we write I, suppose गर्नु पर्छ always sin mx dx. अब हामीले के गर्नु पर्यो, यो mx लाई हामी सब्स्टिट्युट गर्नु पर्यो. सो वी क्यान राइट हियर लेट mx इक्वल टु t, यो mx लाई t सपोज गर्यो, एन्ड नाउ डिफरेन्शिएटिङ विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. तो mx का डिफरेंशियल क्या होगा, m इज कांस्टेंट, x डिफरेंशियल 1 होगा, एंड डिफरेंशियल ऑफ t इज दिस dt by dx, and we have to find this dx. Always find dx. So it becomes m is equal to dt by dx. It is by 1. This implies that m into dx is equal to dt. So dx is equal to dt by m. So dx will be put as dt by m. So here we had this I equal to sin mx. Sin mx. mx was t. ये mx के प्लेस में क्या पुट किया गया? t. और what is dx? dx we have dt by m into dt by m. m is constant term taken out here. Integration of sin t into dt. Now इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ साइन एक्स डी एक्स. साइन एक्स का को इंटीग्रल के हुन्छ माइनस कॉस. तो वी कैन राइट माइनस कॉस टी बिकॉज इट इज टी. साइन एक्स डी एक्स माइनस कॉस एक्स साइन टी डी टी माइनस कॉस टी प्लस सी. वी विल पुट अ कांस्टेंट. सो इट इज 1 by m minus right here cos t. What is t? T we have supposed ourselves that mx. T is this mx cos mx plus c. So it is answer. So we can do by the substituting method. Directly we can also do if we have practice भइसकेपछि डायरेक्टली sin mx का इंटीग्रल क्या होगा? cos mx और x को कोफिशिएंट विल बी डिवाइड. sin mx इंटीग्रेशन माइनस cos mx जुन यो t सपोज गरेको छ mx x को कोफिशिएंट दैट विल डिवाइड हियर. सो also we can do by that. So in the process we can use the substitution method here. Now try to solve this part second example. We will first do some examples, then we go to exercise. So integration of 2x into sin x square plus 1 dx. इसमा सब्स्टिट्युसन मेथड अप्लाई गर्नु पर्यो किनकि यसमा कुनै यसको हाम्रोमा फर्मुला छैन. यस्तो खालको यो फंक्सनको फर्मुला छैन. सो व्हाट वी डू वी विल यूज सब्स्टिट्युसन मेथड. सब्स्टिट्युसन मेथडमा के गर्नु पर्यो हेर्नु पर्यो कि पुट गर्दाखेरि टी पुट गर्नु पर्नेछ. पुट गर्दाखेरि त्यसको डेरिभेटिभ त्यही हुनु पर्यो. सपोज इफ यू पुट हियर 2x randomly equal to t, the differential of this becomes dt by dx. But we need if we differentiate this, so differential will be here in the next part. इसको डिफरेंशियल गर्दाखेरि यता पाउनु पर्यो अदर यसको डिफरेंशियल गर्दा यता पाउनु पर्यो. तो यो टी सपोज गर्दाखेरि त केही पाएन. लेट अस सपोज नेक्स्ट इफ वी पुट x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इक्वल टू इफ यू डिफरेंशिएट दिस 2x इज इक्वल टू x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 को डिफरेंशियल के हुन्छ? दिस 2x 1 का 0 it is 2x. if you differentiate this 2x is here, so we suppose this term as t. इसको कुनै हार्ड फर्स्ट रुल छैन कि यो सपोज गर्नु. सपोज गर्दाखेरि हेर्नु पर्यो कि एउटा डिफरेंशियल डेरिभेटिभ त्यही पाउँछ कि पाउँदैन. सो वी राइट हियर लेट i इक्वल टू 2x sin x square plus 1 into dx, and let we are putting this x square plus 1 equal to t. Differentiating with respect to x, it becomes 2x. x square का differential 2x 1 का 0, and differentiating this derivative of t is dt by dx, because we are doing differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. Now we find we should need here dx. अब यहाँ से dx निकाल्नु पर्यो. So it is 2x into dx is equal to dt. So dx equal to dt by 2x. Then we have I equal to it is 2x into sin एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 को प्लेस में हामीले के सपोज गरेको छ यहाँ इट इज वी हेभ टेकन दिस टी इसको प्लेस में के गर्यो टी dx इन्टु dx वी हेभ dx dt by 2x यो क्यान्सल हुनुपर्ने डिफरेन्सिएट गर्दाखेरि यस्तो खालको हामी सब्स्टिट्युसन गर्नु पर्यो त्यो क्यान्सल होस् सो I इज इक्वल टु integration of sin t into dt and we know the integration of sin x dx. Integration of sin x dx is equal to minus cos x. But here t, if here t, here t, so we can write here minus cos t. So differential of sin t minus cos t and plus we write some coefficient, always write c minus cos t जुन t सपोज गरेको छ त्यो प्लेस गर्नु पर्यो अदरवाइज आन्सर विल बी इनकम्प्लिट t हामीले यो cos t को प्लेसमा के छ t भनेको हो x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 त t को प्लेसमा हामी के पुट गर्यो x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 प्लस c so it is our required answer on the second part. Now see the part 3 of the example number 5. Integration of tan power 4 root x into sec square root x by root x dx. अब इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूशन यूज गर्नुको लागि फर्स्ट वी राइट हियर लेट I इक्वल टू tan to the power 4 root x sec square root x by root x into dx. अब इसमें सब्स्टिट्युट गर्दाखेरि के हेर्नु पर्यो if we putting here root x पनि टी पुट गर्दा हुन्छ तर डबल सब्स्टिट्युट गर्नु पर्यो यहाँ tan if we put tan x so tan x derivative of tan x tan x dx equal to sec square x that means if we put this यो पुट गर्दाखेरि हामीले यसको डेरिभेटिभ यहाँ पाउँदैछ सेक स्क्वायर को फिर डेरिभेटिभ tan पाउँदैन त्यसले गर्दा हामी के गर्नु पर्यो लेट tan tan root x इक्वल टू t सपोज गर्नु पर्यो tan root x is equal to t. So again differentiating with respect to x the tan x को डिफरेंशियल के हुन्छ sec रूट एक्स सरी सेक स्क्वायर रूट एक्स जुन हामीले चेन रूल में जुन रूट एक्स सपोज गरेको छ त्यसको डिफरेंशियल के हुन्छ रूट एक्स को डिफरेंशियल पहिले हामीले निकालेको याद हुनु पर्यो निकाल्नु पर्दैन घरिघरि 1/2 रूट एक्स डिफरेंशियल अफ रूट एक्स इक्वल टू टी को डिफरेंशियल dt by dx because we are doing here derivative with respect to x. check once again यो tan रूट एक्स tan यो एक्सन को लागि हामीले यो यसलाई u सपोज गर्यो चेन रूलले त tan u सपोज गर्दाखेरि tan को के डिफरेंशियल sec square something and we have supposed this so derivative of root x is 1/2 root x dt by dx. Now again we find dx निकाल्नु पर्यो अब यता यसलाई लेख्नु पर्यो dx into by cross multiplying sec square root x equal to this 2 root x into otherwise here dt into 2 root x so here dx equal to dt into 2 root x by sec square root x it is the dx. So let's find the value, let's put the values. Then I equal to 10 power 4 tan root x means tan root x power 4 means it's power 4 the tan root x is t power 4 into sec square root x divide by root x into अब dx पुट गर्नु पर्यो dx हाम्रो के छ it is dt into 2 root x by sec square root x. So now see here, what are the cancel here? Sec square root x is this cancel, root x cancel. अब हम बाकी रह जाते हो रिमेनिंग टर्म्स I इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ t to the power 4 into it is two constant term taken here and t power 4 dt. T power 4 dt. See here, sec square root x, same numbers cancel out, root x cancel, 2 is here, 2 taken outside that, it is constant. Now we know that integration of t power n x to the power n integral is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So just like same, what we write here, t power 4 plus 1 same cheese by divide that plus constant c. So now 2 into t power 5 by 5 plus c. हामीले t के सपोज गरेको छ, t भनेको के हो यो 10 root x, तो यहाँ 10 root x power 5 by 5 plus c. Now I equal to 2 by 5, this 10 root x power 5 can written as 10 power 5 root x and plus c. So it is our answer of the part 3rd of this example. Now we see we will write some important integrals here. It will be used directly. So let's write that. Number 1 is tan x dx को इंटीग्रल के हुन्छ डाइरेक्टली हामीले पुट गर्नु सक्छ फर्मुला दिस log mod of sec x plus c. Proof is given in the book. Very easy, by the substitution method you can prove also that. Number 2 is integration of cot x dx is log of, in the tan it is sec, here it is sin x plus c. Number 3 is sec x dx log of mod of sec x plus tan x plus c. Now number 4 is cosec x, tan x, cot x, sec and cosec x. Last is cosec x dx equal to log cosec में तो हुन्छ cosec x minus cot x, cosec x minus cot x plus c. So you should remember these formulas 1, 2, 3 and 4, and thereafter we will do some questions from the exercise 7.2. So now look at that here. Exercise 7.2, question number 1 is integrate the functions, and question number 1 is 2x by 1 plus x square, and we have to integrate this. So how to write in a symbolic form? We write here, let I equal to integration of 2x by 1 plus x square into dx. Always be put dx. अहिलेको जस्तै सब्स्टिट्युट गर्नु पर्यो. 2x लाई t सपोज गर्दाखेरि 2x को डेरिभेटिभ 1 plus x square कहिले आउँदैन. त्यसले गर्दा 1 plus x square लाई t सपोज गर्दाखेरि यसको डेरिभेटिभ यही छ. त्यसै सर्च आउट गर्नु पर्यो. यसको भित्र हुन्छ इन म्याक्सिमम क्वेशन्स. एउटा सपोज गर्दाखेरि उसको डेरिभेटिभ त्यही अवेलेबल हुनु पर्यो. So here let 1 plus x square equal to t and differentiating with respect to x. तो 1 plus x को डेरिवेटिव 1 को 0 भयो, x स्क्वायर को डिफरेंशियल 2x इक्वल टू t को डिफरेंट डेरिवेटिव dt by dx, and by this we find dx. So 2x into dx equal to dt. So dx equal to dt by 2x. तो ये दुईटा इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ जुन कि हामीले यसमा सब्स्टिट्युट गर्नु पर्यो. One is dx and first is this. Now we put here, so I equal to, it is 2x, 1 plus x स्क्वायर को प्लेस में यो 1 plus x स्क्वायर प्लेस में के पुट गर्नु पर्यो t, त्यता लेख्यो by t into dx, dx को प्लेस में dt by 2x. यसको भेरिफिकेसन पॉइंट यही छ. सपोज यू हैव सब्स्टिट्युट रङ थिङ्स त के हुन्छ यहाँ क्यान्सल हुँदैन त बुझिहाल्नुपर्छ कि कहीँ रङ छ. सो 2x and 2x cancel out here. I equal to this 2x, 1 is 2x, so 1 by t dt. Otherwise also we can write like this, dt by t, same thing, dt by t, otherwise 1 by t dt. So we know that thing, 1 by x dx equal to integration of that formula is log of mod of x plus c. Why it is mod? Because we should take always this mod becomes by this mod any negative value becomes positive. So always we take log of mod x. So 1 by 2 dt formula is log of mod of t plus c. It is 1 by x dx log x, it was t, so it is log of t and log of t. t को भ्यालु कति छ पुट गरिदिनु पर्यो. t यता छ 1 plus x square plus c. So it is our required answer of the question number 1. See the question number 2. Log of x whole square by x. So first of all we write here, let I equal to integration of log of x whole square by x here dx. अब इसमें के चीज सब्स्टिट्युट गर्नु पर्यो, which number can be put as t. If we put x is equal to t, x को डेरिवेटिभ 1 हो, log x आउँदैन, तो log x को डेरिवेटिभ यहाँ छ. You can check here, log x को डेरिवेटिभ के हुन्छ 1 by x and 1 by x here, 1 by x. So let us suppose here log of x equal to t. log x को डिफरेंशियल के डेरिवेटिव 1 by x and t different derivative dt by dx. So here dx into 1 dx is equal to x into dt, it is dx. Let's put here I equal to log of x. log of x को प्लेस में हामीले के लेख्न सक्छ, in the place of log x we can put t square by x. log x को प्लेस में t हाल्यो, power square by x is here same, into dx we have x into dt, x cancel. So we have I equal to integration of t square into dt. So we know that x to the power n dx integration equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. That we can put in the formula. So I equal to t square, that means t power 2 and x to n plus 1, t plus 1 by also 2 plus 1 plus c. So t cube by 3 plus c. Here t cube, what is t? T is log of x cube by 3 plus c. It is answer. Otherwise also we can write 1 by 3 log of x power cube plus c. So both answers are right. So you can do by the help of this. So now see the question number 3 is 1 by x plus x log x. We have to integrate this. So first of all we write let I equal to always we take, it is taken as I x plus x log of x into dx. इसमें बिफोर सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग फर्स्ट वी टेक हियर कॉमन, इसमें कॉमन था x, तो वी कैन गेट 1 प्लस log x and dx. And what is to put here? What is substitution here? Here 1 by x and here log of x. So if we take log x is equal to t, so derivative of log x is 1 by x. So what to put here? Let 1 plus log x is equal to t and differentiating with respect to x. 1 का डिफरेंट डेरिवेटिव 0, log x का डिफरेंशियल क्या होता है 1 by x and differential of t dt by dx. Now dx into 1 equal to x dt. So dx equal to x into dt. It is the dx. Now I equal to 1 by x. अब दिस टोटली दिस ब्रैकेट 1 प्लस log x को प्लेस में हामी के राख्नु पर्यो. दिस 1 प्लस log x टेकन एज t, तो यहाँ लिखा इन्टू t. दिस here into dx. What is dx? x into dt. So x cancel. Now we have I equal to 1 by t, integration of 1 by t into dt. So we know that 1 by x dx equal to integration of this log of x plus c. So I equal to, it becomes log of t plus c. So what is taken as t? t हम लिख के लिए कुछ actually t is this 1 plus log x. So 1 plus log x plus c, it is answer. Now question number 4 is sin x into sin into cos x. So we write here, let I equal to integral of sin x into sin cos x dx. And what is your substitution here? के पुट गर्नु पर्यो यहाँ sin x को डेरिवेटिव cos x, but it is the angle here. Sin, it is not sin x, it is sin into cos x. So if we put this cos x, if we put t, let cos x equal to t. So derivative of differentiating with respect to x, तो cos x का डिफरेंशियल माइनस sin x equal to this dt by dx. Now minus sin x into dx equal to dt. So dx equal to minus and this dt by this minus sin x. Otherwise minus we can take here. So dx is equal to minus dt by sin x. So I equal to, let's put here sin x into sin this cos x is t into dx. dx को प्लस में छ माइनस dt by sin x. तो this sin x cancel. Now I equal to minus taken here minus sin t dt. So I equal to sin t differential of sin x dx equal to minus cos x plus c. So it is minus sin t differential minus cos. So it is minus cos t plus c. So I equal to minus into minus plus cos t plus c. And what is t? Cos, what is t? T is cos x. So in the place of t we can put cos x. So cos x plus It is answer. This way you can continue the solution. So you can do practice Hunday's answer. So you can do remaining questions.